So this Thursday, Malta Enterprise is going to host the 4th International Startup Festival. I'll be talking about branding in one of the workshops, and branding is one of the small elements in the strategy pillar of marketing. And why is branding important? Well, it's important for several reasons. Firstly, it really determines how your target audience is perceiving your brand. And if you have a strong brand, then you have a kind of positive spiral. You have a strong brand recognition, customers are trusting your brand, and you'll be able to charge premium prices. Conversely, if you have a weak brand, then you lack customer trust and you won't be able to expand as fast, and probably you will also have lack in revenues, and in the worst case scenario you'll have to pack the company. So in today's competitive markets, branding or having a strong brand is no longer a nice to have or just a competitive advantage. It's actually a real necessity for your company to grow. And then my question to you is, when was the last time you actually went and asked your customers or your target audience, what do they actually think about your brand, how they perceive your brand, and how does the brand actually resonate with what they want? And here are three pieces of advice or thoughts that you could pursue. The first one is really to acknowledge that what you believe about your brand doesn't really matter. It's more what the target audience or how the target audience perceives your brand. And therefore, take some time once in a while to go and ask your customers, not so much what they think about the products and so, but the actual brand image of your company. And then finally, always make sure to take enough time to deliver a consistent and professional message across all of your platforms. So if you're coming at the Startup in Malta Festival, there will be plenty of really strong brand professionals amongst all the other professionals. So don't hesitate to have a chat with them. And this is also why these kinds of festivals are organized, is that you can share experience, you can learn from each other. So let's grow stronger together, and hope to see you at the Startup in Malta Festival.